Is your storage shed a dumping ground for things that don't have homes? Well, let's give them a home in an organized storage shed. Keep watching for steps on how to organize your storage shed and create a happy home for everything you own. Storage sheds have the amazing propensity to collect clutter. They are separate structures from our homes and quickly become the repository for anything that doesn't have a place or that you don't have space for in your home. Before long, the piles pile up and soon you have no idea what is in there, how you'll get to it, or why you're saving it in the first place. It's time to organize your storage shed. There are 5 steps to do this, so let's get started. Step number 1 is to take everything out. This is the first and most important step of all. You have to get everything out of that shed to know what you have and why you've been storing it. Step number 2 is to sort and categorize. As you start pulling items out of your shed, start putting them into categories, like placing all your holiday decorations together, your gardening tools, your hardware, sports gear, travel, memorabilia, and so on. Also use this time to edit out any items that you no longer want or that you no longer need. Step number 3 is to containerize. If you don't already have bins or boxes, now is the time to get some so you can contain all those items that you've sorted. By keeping your items in a contained vessel like a bin or a box will make all the difference in keeping your storage shed organized. Step number 4 is to zone your shed. Keeping the frequency of use in mind, start mapping out your shed and figure out where things should go. For example, things that you use a lot, like bikes, sports equipment, and gardening tools, should probably be up in the front of the unit, while lesser used or access items like holiday decor or memorabilia can go farther in the back. Step 5 is to install and label. If your shed doesn't already have shelving, now is a great time to think about doing that. Shelving immediately adds 4 to 5 times more storage space in the same footprint, and it allows you to maximize your vertical storage space. You can begin bringing in your bins and placing them in the zone by shelf or shelving unit, and then be sure to label those bins and shelves so everyone knows where things are and where they go back to. Your organized storage shed is now achieved. I hope this video has inspired you to think about how you can go about organizing your own storage shed, getting some boxes, bins, maybe adding some shelving to maximize the storage space that you have and help you keep that shed organized with things you want to hold on to. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you've liked this video, I would love it if you'd give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and while you're there, click on that bell icon so you can be notified when I release my next organizing video. In the meantime, this is Cary wishing you, from my home to yours, a very happy, organized day.